Stream the best movie, IPTV, everything you want online, doesn't matter, for free and safe. Coming up next. Let's go. If you're new, go below and subscribe. Hit the little bell, keep alert of all my videos. Welcome to Touchtone app and tech trends. We bring you guys the latest apps and the latest tech trends, everything from high end to low end, budget, you name it, we got it. And plus, we do giveaways, $2,000 for this month. All you gotta do is subscribe and comment to this video. Besides that, if you want to win the product, you gotta do the same. Remember, product are for United States only. You can win it, but if you're worldwide, you can win the cash. Okay, back to what the streaming free, streaming fast, streaming safe, and not being throttled like everybody's being throttled right now because I guess everybody's at home. So the good news is this is free. You don't have to pay for anything. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about in a second. But first, let me talk to you guys about free VPN. The good thing about it, there's a lot of good things about it, okay? Number one, it's the fastest. That's right, the fastest free VPN. That's number one. Easy to use. Geo-lock, no problem. You can use it for your Netflix. That's a big plus. And it's free. Another plus, it's unlimited data. Also, they have the paid version. I'm not promoting the paid version. I don't get paid from them. I'm promoting the free version that is free. Another reason why I think it's so good, it's unlimited bandwidth. Nobody does that. You're limited to the servers you can use. That's okay. It's free. Easy to hook up. It's self-explanatory, not complicated. That's Proton Vpn. You open it up. Very self-explanatory. Go to the menu here. You got your settings, your account, your show log. Okay, we'll back up. This is again on the Android device. Your settings. You pick your country, select it. It's pretty easy. All right, you can use your fastest, random. Okay, we'll click on fastest, connecting. Look how simple that is. Very cool. So you got your map view, profile again. Click on random, boom. You can save it to profile if you like, clicking on save to profile, so you can have it logged, okay? We can disconnect. Easy to hook up. They also have a great privacy policy, which means they don't log your data. That's a big key. Guys, everything we do here is easy peasy. This is why I love this particular VPN, because it's self-explanatory. Some of you guys don't understand what VPNs are. Some of you guys do not know how to install a VPN. It is simple, especially when it comes to this VPN in particular. It's basically go to the App Store, look for Proton VPN, download it, open it up, sign up, and that is it. The privacy policy, amazing. They don't store your data. I can't say that about a lot of other VPNs, which do. And a lot of free VPNs, they have a data cap, so you're only allowed to use a certain amount and then you're done, okay? This is unlimited. This, for that simple reason, to me, that's the number one free VPN right now. There can be more coming up in the future, but for 2020, that is it. This is the way you keep safe, guys. If a company is throttling you, use Proton VPN. It's that simple, guys. I'm just able to bring you guys free stuff. You can use it on your pad. As you can see, this is my 12.9 iPad Pro. You can use it on that, so you can use it on iOS, you can use it on Android, you can use it on your box, you can use it on your Fire Stick, you can use it on your PC. What more do you want? And you can use it on your phone. Very important. So it's unlimited what you can do with it, okay? I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please go below and subscribe. Keep you alerted of all my videos. Hit the little bell. I appreciate you guys. Like always, you know what we do here, guys. Peace and grace, and catch the new tech wave.